What up, y'all? Just got off work, got off the train. It's beautiful out. It's a little warm. It's like 75 or so. Luckily not humid, but I'll be hot. But yeah, it's beautiful out. So we're gonna take the Kraton out. And I did mess with the servo saver. I tightened it down, so it was pretty tight, but I made it better. So hopefully it turns better, or else maybe that servo is giving out. But alright guys, see you there. We got the Kraton and the Typhon, but I think I'm only going to record the Kraton. If you guys can see, it's getting a little, not bad, but hopefully they mow it soon. But I feel like there's going to be a lot of bees up in that mother. But alright guys, let's bash. Alright guys, so we got it out. So I was just driving the Typhon and it's pretty thick, especially down. I'll drive over it, but over, like when you go around this tree it's good, and then it gets thick. Like you can't even see the Typhon in there. So I hope they get this soon. I think it's better. So I got the 4S coming. I bought it from a good member. I believe the creator of Arma Mafia, so. Let's see. You can barely see the Kraton in there. So I think it's better now. Still gives, but let's try full turn. Still not that good, but I think it's definitely better. Look at that beast. Yeah, I was gonna go to the big park because it's down there like 3 blocks, but when I was on the scooter, I saw a bunch of cars, so I had to turn back. Oh, let's try to do a wheelie here. Yeah, this definitely handles this way better than the Typhon once it starts growing. I think it's better, the turning. I can see the wheels give, but not like they used to. So. Oh yeah, it goes through this way easier. Yeah, there were some people up there. I don't know what the hell they were doing. They were kind of freaking me out, but maybe meditating, but they had like some, I don't know what the hell it was, but some weird shit. Oh, ooh. Oh yeah, this thing handled this like nothing. I didn't know it was gonna be this overgrown, because here it's good and then it gets like just a little bit. Yeah, like right there you can't even see. See it? I think the steering's better, and I got the that one hobo battery I thought was dead. Good now. I didn't want to buy a new servo, man. If it lasts the summer, it'll be good. But now since I tightened it down, maybe it'll go out, who knows. But yeah, this thing handles this like nothing. So the 4S should be really good out here too. Can't wait to get that Kraton 4S. It's used, but I think he threw in some goodies. And the funny thing is, the 4S is on sale today too. So it's like, damn. But I got it cheaper than that. Under 400 with the MTC like brace and shit. Not the chassis brace, but the motor mount and shit. And that thing is like 80 bucks. So we'll see. Hopefully it should run. Yeah, it still doesn't turn that well, but it's definitely better. Look at that shit. Here she's coming. Oh. Oh, it gets hard to hold it with this phone. I love when she starts going. There we go. I can never get a good wheelie, man. That was pretty good. I could probably tighten it down more, but you want some give. But yeah, I can definitely tell it's better. Ooh, I almost hit that shit down there. I should buy a cone. The squirrel, there's like, looked like some like, not gummy bears, but like some candy shit over there. There's some kids hanging out, that's good. Look at you, idiot. Yeah, this thing's still a beast. Can't even hit full throttle. See, look at that. I gotta clean all that pollen shit. The Outcast would be sweet out here, the 8S. I haven't took it out this year, but hopefully the weekend. Because Friday I took a half day, so hopefully it comes Friday. Oh, there we go. Was having a little trouble there. Yeah, it's a little warm out here, so that's why I ran. I got 2 batteries for that. I didn't do a video. Run that, run this, then run that. You know, when it gets close to 80 and shit, you gotta watch out. But yeah, I can definitely tell it's better, so I'm pretty happy right now. I could tighten it more, but I'm just gonna leave it. But I love this thing, just goes. Yeah, because I think it's supposed to rain Thursday. Oh shit. It's supposed to rain Thursday. See, it wasn't tipping over before. But Friday, 25% chance, so I hope it doesn't. So I can take the Outcast out. So I got 2 batteries for that I used for the Outcast. I have one more, I think, but it has the XT90. I think an old Vonic. I haven't used it forever, but I used it for the Team Crowley Radix 4. Oh yeah, look at that. See, I couldn't do that before. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this now. But I feel like the Notorious and stuff still turn better, which I don't know. It's odd. But yeah, I love that. This thing just looks amazing. Look at that shit. Going fast as hell, man. Stupid people. This thing is just crazy. $14 tooth pinion, I believe. Come on. I want to put a 15, but it's pretty good for me. This probably the fire team I should gear up, but I don't know. Maybe a tooth, but I don't really want to mess with it. This thing looks just beautiful, man. It's probably my favorite looking RC. I love the Typhon. I like the older look better, to be honest. But this thing just looks beautiful. That's why I'm surprised they didn't make the red body for the Kraton 4. Just the blue and the teal, which is kind of dumb, but can't do nothing about it, you know. Yeah, not even full throttle. So it's that servo saver. So if you get the Badger Queen, I guess tighten it down pretty tight. I thought I had it tight, but I guess not. And I'm glad this LiPo works too, man. Uh-oh. Shit, something's gonna go. Maybe it's just a stick. Well, that sucks. It's probably gonna go. Well, I'm probably going to get the Typhon out. It's been 12 minutes. Alright, guys. Shit, that sucks. Let's see if it does it in reverse. Gold. Alright. Peace. Oh yeah, look at that. Before I wouldn't even do that. Alright, guys. Damn. Something's about to strip. Unless something's stuck in there, but I don't think so. Look at that. It's just loud. But yeah, luckily the servo saver, I tightened it and it's better now. Fuck. So she chipped a tooth. Just like me. Crack my shit. Let me get this. It might be a little hard to see, but yeah, it's right above this notch right here. So, upgrade time. Probably 15 tooth. I think that's a Robinson Racing one too. I don't know. I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna order maybe a Techno one. I don't know. We'll see. But at least it's just that. So now I know what that sounds like.